Hey everyone, how you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well in 2023. 2023 has not gotten off to a good start for me, but that was to be expected. I'm not going to go into it. It is a burden and saga and cross I have to bear, I think. But anyway, I wanted to show you something that I picked up and really like. I don't have curly hair, but I always wanted curly hair. I have kind of a natural, I would say a little bit of a wave. I don't have poker straight hair like some people do. So I'm kind of like in the middle. I think if I had super straight hair, I would embrace it and go with it. But because I have that little bit of a wave, it just kind of ruins I'm kind of stuck in the middle. I guess that's the best way to put it. So I go on the curly side. I kind of lean towards the curly side. So I picked up this Curlsmith. It's called the Bonding Oil from Sephora, and it's a lightweight oil for shiny, stronger looking hair. I like to use these kind of oils to bring out the curl in my hair rather than to sleek my hair down. And this is what it looks like, and I think it's so pretty. I love kind of the gold shade of it. All you do is, I don't think there was a scent to this. Not really that I noticed much of a scent. All you do is you put 1 drop of this on your hand per section of your hair. 1 pump per hair section works best when applied to dry hair, and I do agree with that. I always put on some type of oil on my damp hair, and then I like to put an oil on my hair the next morning just to kind of bring out the shine. And I really like this. All right, I wanted to give you a quick demonstration of how this Curlsmith bonding oil works on my hair after I curl it. Right now I have my hair all done with my curling iron last night. The only products that I used on my hair were the Adwoa products I talked about, the melon berry spray and the serum. I put that in my hair. You can see it did not weigh my hair down at all. And now I'm going to put another oil on my hair, and it's the Curlsmith oil. Normally the product I would put on my hair the next day after I curled it was the Kenra Platinum Silkening Gloss. I like this just as well. All I do is take a pump of it, and it's very light, and I rub it in my hands, and then I just scrunch it. You can see already it is plumping up my hair, while at the same time it kind of defines your curls, which I love. And at the same time, it really defrizzes your hair. That was 1 pump. Do my bangs a little bit. Just like that. You can get so much volume and curl definition with this product, and it does not weigh your hair down at all. If you had actual curls and you wanted to really define them, I don't have true curls. My hair has a slight wave in it. I kind of want to try to make a little bit of curl in my hair, but you can see just what that 1 pump alone, it just makes my hair springy and bouncy, defines the curls, takes away the frizz. Love this product. And it really gets rid of any flyaways you might have, besides being curly girl friendly, which I'm not really considered a curly girl. It's cruelty free, no silicones, no sulfates, vegan, 0 spoons of sulfates, silicones, parabens, mineral oils, phthalates, DEA, tested on humans but never tested on animals. It says after you do your hair, you're supposed to glaze this over any curls you might have to seal in all the moisture and smooth the cuticle. It gently scrunch, which I do, scrunch my hair, and you can see how shiny. It got rid of any frizz I had in my hair, and it just made it look so pretty. I use a lot of oils on my hair. I've really this past year gotten into trying to get my hair healthy because I do highlight it. Because I'm drying it out with the bleach, I try everything I can to put back any oil into my hair. Curlsmith Bonding Oil. Love it. I would think if you were a curly girl, you might really, really love this. That's it, guys. I'll leave a link to this down in my description box. You can pick it up at Sephora. Take care. Bye-bye from Marla.